Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my 27th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about HTML5 metadata. Now you may be wondering what metadata is. Metadata is typically a data which is not displayed on a web page. It generally stores the document title, character set, styles, scripts and other meta information. Okay, so let's begin. First we will discuss about the title tag. As you can know from the name, title tag generally stores the name of a HTML document. If you save it and check in the browser, you can see the name shows here. Okay, title tag is generally stored within the title. It is written here and it has a opening and a closing tag. Next we will discuss about the character set. Okay, so the character set is also written within the head tags of HTML document. Simply you write meta, then charset, then equal to, then within double quote you write UTF-8. Now UTF-8 is a specific type of character set which is used by browsers how you display the content. Okay, which characters will appear, like just keep in mind that it is used by search engines and other web services and browsers. Okay, next we will discuss about the style tag. The style tag also appears within the head tag. It has an opening and a closing tag, and within the style tag you define the styles of a web page. Okay, here you can see we have defined the body background color, the H2 color and the P color here, that means the paragraph color. We have discussed about styles in our earlier tutorials. You can check it there. Now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here all the tags are colored here simply by defining styles within the style tag. Okay, finally we will discuss about the link element. So link element, to know about the link element, first make a new document and save it as mystyle.css. Okay, this is the external style sheet. Now simply we just cut this and paste it here. Okay, we are changing the background color here. Now save it. Now at the moment if you check in your browser, nothing will be visible here. No styles is applied here. Now to apply style, what do you need to do? You need to just write link, then rel, then the path of, then what type of document is this? That is a style sheet. So write style sheet within double quote, then href, which defines the path of the style sheet, where the style sheet is located, name of the style sheet, then close it, then save it and then check in our browser. You can see here the style is applied here. So this is generally the rule for most web designers. They apply style sheets in an external style sheet and link it to the main document. Okay, so what we learned today? We learned today about the title tag, about the character set, which defines the characters, whatever characters are used in the HTML document, it is defined within this character set. Mostly we use UTF-8. Okay, next we discussed about the style tag, where you can apply styles within the HTML document. And finally we discussed about the link tag, with which you can link an external style sheet to the document, HTML document. Okay, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.